Welcome back to my channel. It's Jada Rose, and I dressed up for you today because it's December. Cold weather, lots of joy and cheer. So let me show you some new pics from Dolls Kill that I just adore.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
It's time to get dressed. Oh my. Move over, girl. Mama's talking. Little black beret. Beautiful black furry coat. Black with fur, excuse me. Like, come on! With these cute black furry boots. What more could you ask for? In a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! How dope. Lavender suit. From around these parts. Business in the front. Party in the back. Here's the top. We have these cute little pockets. These pants lace up from toe to hip. Ooh. Ooh. I feel like such a rock star, a businesswoman, a cowgirl. Whatever vibe you want to go for, she's rocking it.
Love is love. Love is love.
These tassels all connect at the bottom, along the back. And it looks so cute with my little leather skirt. How fun. I just can't stop moving. Let's get on this rodeo.
Me and my girl, we do cardio. I run like Mario, cause dress like Sicario. But that catches party on. I'm a Gemini, and she's a Scorpio. But that don't cross the minds when we on the cardio. Bet you wanna peek, bet you wanna see something. We don't wanna give, we don't wanna give nothing. I'm a Gemini, she's a Scorpio. But that don't cross the minds when we on the cardio. Cardio.
Oh my. Mesh t-shirt matching these cute little colorful slacks. Wow. Ready to go wild. this blue fuzzy jacket, baby. Wow, wow, wow. So cozy, so soft. I could just pet myself. We have these clasps. Cookie Monster Queen. Oh. Look how cool the inside is. Bet you weren't expecting that. Dolls Kill always has that secret drip. How sick, dude! Yes! Everything I could wish for. Let's hear that racket for the blue jacket. Let's go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved this haul. Big happy holidays from me and Dolls Kill. If you need to do any more shopping, all the links will be down below, so go check them out. They have great stuff and great picks for this season. We already know you're all on the naughty list, so make sure you stay dirty, my little devils. I'll see you guys next time.